February must be a very slow month for Dairy Queen because their Blizzard of the Month is essentially last month's Blizzard. Talk the fast food show where I talk about fast food, talking faster about it. And it's been a while since I've been to Dairy Queen, tried any of their stuff. I think that's gonna be something that's gonna be more recurring. Not that I'm not gonna take a look at it, more of my effort to look at it. Because Dairy Queens to me are they're not bad. I just kind of got bored of trying to do the story of the month reviews because some were interesting. It's like this doesn't feel like a January item. Maybe it is. From what I heard, it was supposed to be like a Reese's cookie dough. This is what I found on like the Dairy Queen flavor of the month. I guess not message boards, but like there's a website that tells you what they are ahead of time. But yeah, I was like, oh, actually, I never took a look at that. And the flavor probably does seem interesting. So how is Dairy Queen's hot peppermint hot cocoa January/December Blizzard of the month? Do you really wanna? Do you really wanna taste it? It does look interesting. I love the cool up on top. That is a nice added touch. Wasn't necessary. I didn't need to grab all the peppermint on top. Gosh darn it. But it's pretty freaking good. Grind up peppermint a little more. I do think the peppermint's a little much. It does hide from some of the flavor. But some of it's actually really good. Like, it adds a nice like touch to it that I really like. Yeah. It's not horrible. It's not 100% bad. It's mostly good. About 20% bad, 80% good. Like the chocolate nice, the cocoa's nice. Just a little less peppermint. That's never bite. I like that part. But yeah. This Blizzard of the Month is it's frustratingly good. It's frustrating that I like it. It's frustrating because I also don't like the peppermint part. If I had less peppermint, I would really enjoy it and bump it up to about a 9. But I give it like 7.5, 8-ish. Overall, Dairy Queen's Blizzard of the Month, the peppermint hot cocoa is pretty legit. I definitely would recommend it. I thank you to this Dairy Queen I got it from because they're very busy all the time. Superb. Like, it's very refreshing and good. Like, today wouldn't be like ice cream day. It's like 2 degrees out. But this is pretty good. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Do you like it, hate it, dislike it? Let me know. You can also follow me at FT_fast reviews. Check my podcast. Looks for my podcast. Guys, have a day.